Hey everybody, welcome to Spiegel Mom Scraps. My name is Tisa and I am working on a layout that was a collaboration between ClickKits and Spiegel Mom Scraps. And I have to apologize because somehow the first part of my layout did not get videoed, and I'm not sure if I got a text message or a call and had forgotten to put my phone on airplane mode. But needless to say, it's a very simple layout, but I love it. Not really any techniques, but I love how the sequins that I used really, what do I want to say? They just really accent that circle design. A lot of the kit from ClickKits was Paige Evans Whimsical, and we did not get a full kit. We got partial kits, so probably to be able to create a couple of layouts. And I loved this circle, this like circle banner design paper, but using the whole paper to me was way too much and way too busy. So I decided to play with it and use it just half a sheet. Originally, I had it where the cut side was on the outside of the layout, but then I felt like I was interrupting the circle when I was adding my photo onto that other side. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but it just did not flow right with my eye. But I'm scrapbooking a photo of actually the design team for Spiegel Mom Scraps, and just wanted to document this. And my kit had a lot of different ephemera pieces like scissors and a paintbrush and a paint set, perfect for a layout like this. So all I did was I lined up all of the ephemera along the seam of that cut paper. And I did dig into my stash. I actually dug into an Amy Tan sticker book and was able to pull out a few other floral pieces and stuff like that I did incorporated, because I wanted to make sure that you could not see like the joining of, the seam of that paper. And then I wanted to just bring out the focus that even though it's a half of a circle, it's still like just bring out that circle element of the page. So that's why I decided to use the sequins, and I used several different packs. I used some from the little kit that were in the it was a special mini pack, mini mix that was put into the click kit. And then I used a bunch of the new mixes from January. Probably 3 or 4 mixes that I used. And if you would like to know the exact mixes, please leave me a comment below and I will certainly give you those names. I am going to leave a link to the Spiegel Mom Scraps shop, and I'll leave a link also to ClickKits below so that you can check those out. I also received a sheet of paper, or it was a quarter sheet of paper, and it had little 2x2 like frames with little sentiments in the inside. And I probably never would have used the sentiments. A lot of them seem to be for card making or other things. But I wanted to show how you can use a product that was maybe designed for something else on your layout. And what I did was I layered those around the photo. And I love how that turned out. It brought in all of the colors from the right side to the left. And then it just gives a little bit of additional interest around there. Then I just added a title with those puffy letters that say "So Happy." And that is all my layout was. Just a bunch of adding pieces. I hope you enjoyed it. Here is my code TISA15 if you would like to save 15% on your purchase at Spiegel Mom Scraps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them. Have a great night.